Begin by backing up your WordPress site to ensure data safety. Next, export your WordPress database using phpMyAdmin. Then, upload your WordPress files to Bluehost via File Transfer Protocol. Import the database into Bluehost and update the wp-config.php file with new database details. Finally, test your site to confirm successful migration. Bluehost offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee and 24/7 expert WordPress support. Enjoy faster load times and scalable resources with optimized hosting. Benefit from seamless one-click WordPress installation and user-friendly cPanel. Plans start at $2.75 month, including a free domain and SSL certificate, making it a cost-effective choice for hosting your WordPress site. Ensure a seamless migration by first creating a full backup of your WordPress files and database. Gather File Transfer Protocol login details and locate phpMyAdmin access information. Document your current database name, username, and access details from the wp-config.php file. Finally, choose a suitable Bluehost hosting plan and complete the registration process. Sign up for Bluehost by selecting a hosting plan. Starter is ideal for beginners, while Plus suits growing sites. Complete your domain setup or transfer an existing domain for streamlined management. Access your Bluehost cPanel dashboard to efficiently manage files, databases, and hosting features. Log into your current host's cPanel using admin credentials. Locate FTP accounts under the Files section. Create a new FTP user with root directory access by removing the default path restriction. Securely record the FTP username, password, hostname, and port number for future use with FileZilla. Download FileZilla from the official site and install it on your computer. Launch FileZilla and use the Site Manager to securely store your File Transfer Protocol connection details. Test the connection to ensure you can access your website files reliably. In FileZilla, access your website's root directory, usually named public.html or www. Select all crucial WordPress directories: WP Content, WP Admin, WP Includes, and Core Files. Download these to a dedicated folder on your computer. This transfer might take 30-60 minutes, depending on your site's size. Access your host's cPanel and open phpMyAdmin. Select your WordPress database, identified in the wp-config.php file. Use the Export tab, choose Quick Export Method, and select SQL format. Click Go to download the database as a .sql file. Securely save this backup on your local computer. Log into your Bluehost account and access the cPanel dashboard. Use the Simple Scripts one-click installer to set up a new WordPress installation. Create a new MySQL database and user with full privileges via cPanel's MySQL Databases section. This setup forms the foundation for your WordPress migration. Create a new FTP account in Bluehost cPanel for your site's public.html directory. Connect to Bluehost servers using FileZilla with these credentials. Upload all WordPress files to public.html, ensuring you overwrite any default Bluehost WordPress installation. Open phpMyAdmin in Bluehost cPanel. Select your new WordPress database and drop existing tables to avoid conflicts. Use the Import tab to upload your saved .sql file. Wait for the import confirmation. For large databases, adjust PHP upload limits in cPanel if needed. Locate the wp-config PHP file in Bluehost's File Manager under the public HTML directory. Edit the database variables. Update DB name, DB user, and DB password with your new Bluehost database credentials. Save the changes to establish a connection between WordPress and your imported database. Log into your WordPress dashboard on Bluehost. Navigate to Settings, then Permalinks, and click Save Changes to refresh the URL structure. Visit your site using the temporary URL or domain to ensure the migration was successful and the site functions correctly. Install the official Bluehost Migrator plugin from WordPress.org for automated migration. Generate a secure migration token from your Bluehost account to authorize the transfer. The plugin manages the entire file and database migration process, minimizing manual intervention and reducing downtime. For FTP connection issues, verify credentials, firewall settings, and port configuration. Address database import errors by checking SQL file size limits and adjusting PHP memory. Fix broken links or images using search replace plugins or manually in the media library. For complex issues, Bluehost's 24/7 WordPress specialists are available for support. Update DNS records to point your domain to Bluehost name servers, ensuring traffic is directed to your new hosting. Allow up to 48 hours for DNS propagation globally. Monitor site performance and set regular backup schedules for security. Once stable on Bluehost, deactivate your old hosting account. Schedule migrations during low traffic hours to minimize impact. Ensure multiple backups are stored securely and verified. Use temporary URLs to test all site functionalities before going live. Document every step, including credentials and configuration changes, for future reference and troubleshooting. Begin by creating a local backup of your site. Export all files and the database. Update WP config and permalinks to ensure compatibility. Import the database into the new environment. Finally, upload everything to Bluehost, ensuring all configurations are correctly set for a seamless transition. Jane Doe successfully migrated her 5-year-old blog with over 10,000 posts using a manual method and Bluehost's plugin. The process resulted in 0 downtime and a 40% speed improvement. Bluehost's support team offered quick, knowledgeable assistance throughout, ensuring a smooth transition. For a seamless WordPress migration, follow our comprehensive guide. Bluehost offers 24/7 expert support to tackle any challenges. Unlock better performance with enhanced speed, security, and scalability on Bluehost's optimized platform. Start your migration today for a professional experience.